time, baby. All right, we're going to go get some vacuum hose and a funnel because I never finished filling up the transmission. So, boom. Go get that now. Guys O'Reilly are awesome. Of course, I forget the guy's name, but I was talking to a guy about a project that he's picking up even today, and he's got a Dodge Ram too. So it's always fun chatting with car people, you know. But anyways, so we got the funnel for the transmission, get that fixed up, and then I got some vacuum line. So we should be good to go, baby. Man, what a huge difference having the right funnel makes. It's really nice because it kind of just stays right there. You can see I've got it on the fill plug. But man, this stuff moves so slow. It's insane. Gear oil. I mean, it makes sense, but it's a slow moving process. Part, it was covered in stuff, so I cleaned it up a little bit. Believe it or not, this is cleaned up. Anyways, I don't know what this goes to, but I'm hoping it goes to the clutch pedal in some way, because that's really the only thing I have left. Got everything hooked up, just need that charged up, and that's it. That explains a lot. So I got the first two bolts here, but you can see once this tightens down, this kind of straighten this out, and then this is on the right hole now, and this is to spring it back. So I think that should fix all my issues. And I'm guessing maybe that's why it's not pulling out of gear. Maybe because it's got pressure sitting on it, you know? We got it hooked up. There you go. So, I mean, it's not perfectly straight, but that makes a lot more sense. Definitely. What? Look who showed up. Alex.
What's up, Pete?
Yeah.
Hello to all 23 followers.
That's right. 24. Okay. 24.
Getting up there, dude.
He missed Frankenstein, man.
It's coming together, man. It's way more advanced than I remember.
Yeah.
You've been busy.
Yeah.
That's good, man.
Yeah. So now we're back at it. I think we're pretty close to starting it. I think I've got everything hooked up. The only thing I'm slightly worried about is the battery. Because I had it charged, I put it in, and then it said it's dead. But that's been sitting for a while, so hopefully...
We're probably going to need some new blinker fluid, too.
Yes, definitely the blinker fluid. All right, so we got the clutch plate on the block. And so now Alex is going to see if it will pop out of gear.
All right, let's do this.
Yeah.
Clutch is in, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh,
nice. Problem solved. There we go, dude.
Sweet.
You know what's next.
Got it.
You know what's next, Alex.
Beer?
Well, beer too, but I think we're ready to start them.
Let's do it.
Boom. So we got the fuel line hooked up, we got the vacuum lines hooked up, we connected the vacuum line for the brakes as well, which could have been a problem before because I'm pretty sure that wasn't connected. And we're ready to go. We added coolant, we checked the oil, battery's charged up, and that's it. That is it. All right, let's do this.
Hold on. Go again?
You ready?
Yeah. Go.
All right.
Nothing? Which is it that you touched? These two?
Yeah, for the solenoid?
Yeah.
So we've been trying to start it, and the dome light came on. So now, when the dome light came on, the charger switched to green also. So we're trying to figure out what's going on. Boom. Right, Alex?
Yeah.
So we are going to try and jump Frankenstein. Right, Alex?
Yeah. Or what was it? Frankenstein when he does. Oh, it's alive! It's alive!
Ah, it's alive, baby. All right. So we have a truck over here, a type of truck that is going to jump it. Boom. though.
Yep.
That's great news.
That's the important thing.
Is this mine or yours?
Bro, we're there. We're so close. So we got it turning over with the jump start, which is great. So now we know that the cabling and the wiring is all right. The problem is that we got a bum battery, so it's not even taking charge. It's not working to even get started. So we're there almost, just a little bit more.
Almost there. We're just giving it a second to charge, and then we're going to try it again, huh?
Yeah, and if it doesn't turn over, then we'll get another battery and we'll
Right.
pick up where we left off.
All right, boom. The key's turning back. It's not. The key's not on. It's still going.
All right.
Last final attempt. I messed with the battery terminals. I don't know if you can see, but Alex is in there. Right, Alex? Yes. It's not going. All right, guys. Well, we need a battery. We need a battery. That's it. Right, Alex? Yeah, it's not going. We've tried everything. Tried jumping it too, but that battery's just toast. And unfortunately, we ran out of daylight, as you can see. We got good old spotlight action going. Boom. Go ahead.
So I found this in Bryce's truck, and it has got to be the coolest little flashlight thing I've ever seen. It's lightweight, it's bright, it doesn't get hot because it's LED, and it's magnetic.
How sick is that,
cool
right?
is this is my new favorite. I'm stealing this.
No, you can't. You can't. I love that flashlight. That thing is seriously so awesome.
Yeah, it's cool.
Hey. All right, boom, baby. Yeah.
All right, so Bryce and I gave it one last shot, and we couldn't even get it to kick over with that battery. So we're just gonna have to rip it out and get a new one in there. So make sure you tune in next weekend. Same bat time, same bat channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ha ha.